Ooh. Good Thursday. It's kind of an experiment Thursday. I came across this old Karo Syrup print ad for spare ribs. And instead of using brown sugar, they use Karo Syrup. It's very similar to a Korean country-style rib recipe I saw. That's why we're calling this Korean, because it has ginger and garlic. I like the addition of cornstarch. But this is going to be different because we're not grilling a rib rack on a barbecue. We'll be cooking this in the oven. We have 4 pounds of country-style rib. I'm doubling up the recipe just to make sure I have enough of everything. We have 2/3 of a cup times 2 of Karo syrup, 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce times 2, 2 tablespoons times 2 of cornstarch. It does say vinegar. We're using rice wine vinegar. We're going to double that up. That's a 1/2 cup. Single clove times 2, 3 teaspoons of ginger. Theirs is a long process. We put this stuff together and we boil it. And we pour it over the ribs, that's what they say, in a shallow pan. Put it in the fridge for 4 hours. This is a 1965 Karo Syrup spare ribs. Karo Ranch ribs, that's what they call it. We're calling it Korean country style ribs, okay? Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Different. Beautiful. Great. What the hell is that? What is that? That's garbage. Oh, it's so pretty. Smells so good. It's been 2 hours. Boy, that looks good. Doesn't that look good? Oh, I'm just gonna rotate them. Wow. It smells really good. Oh, it's so thick. Two more hours. Oh! sauce on. We'll end up putting this under the broiler. Under the broiler. 4 minutes or so. Ow, that hurt. They're getting a little toasty. Coming out, man. Whoa! In the face! Oh. Oh.
It's okay. It's cooked. It does pull apart a little bit. It's missing flavor. It needs barbecue sauce. It needs barbecue sauce. Let's sprinkle a little soy on it. So. Yeah. Maybe more soy in the glaze. It's not getting the punch. I hate to do this, but we're gonna put a little bit of barbecue sauce on the side. You know? Smoky. It's lacking salt and flavor. That was a good piece. There's a hunk of fat. Fat is good, you know. Well, I've got a lot of pork to eat. I'm not sure I like the barbecue sauce. That's throwing me off now. You know what? I have a little bit of sauce that I didn't cook the pork in. Maybe that's the plan, is save some glaze that you didn't cook the pork in. Let's try a little of that. That might be it. That might be the solution. Oh. What a difference. Oh, I love that. Let's, Oh. It worked. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. Whew. Hey, I think when you're cooking it this way, you need a finishing glaze. Let's take one more bite and then we're out of here. Here we go. I like that. I like it a lot. In fact, I've got so much pork, I might make up another batch of sauce. That's it, we're done. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.